Hello, my name is Lester Garrett, Director of Delivery. I have over 18 plus years of BI experience. I am Birst certified and a retired veteran of 23 plus years. Today we'll be covering how to create interactive visuals quickly and easily with Birst. Let's get right to it. What you have here is sample data from Salesforce.com. We're going to build two reports, one being a bar chart and the second being a pie chart. We're going to walk you through very quickly and show you just how easily it is to integrate two reports into a dashboard. So here we go. We're going to first select our fields. We're going to bring in state. We go to our account, and there we have our billing state. We want to double click. We're going to enter it into our report canvas. There you go. It's all my states with this particular example. We're going to go to our expected amount and bring in the sum of expected amount. Double click, and since it's a measure, Birst knows it's going to insert it in the correct field. So we're going to actually show you another display, which is called pivot view, and we're going to create a simple ranking formula so that we can sort by the top 10 states. Okay, so we're going to basically right click on measure, add an expression, and we're going to call this D rank. D rank. We're going to get a dimension so we can sort on it, and we're going to just select the database field to minimize the typing. We have a number of logical functions here. We're going to choose rank and p-tile, and we're going to use the drank function, and we're going to bring in expected amount because we're going to rank again on this particular value or measure. Just drag it over, drop, and close off my bracket. There's my formula. Hit save. Save again to close my expression properties. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Save it. There we go. So now we can actually bring in our D rank into my row and then do a sort. We're going to put it in order. So we're going to sort just by left click. There's my sort. D rank, I want to sort in ascending order. Save. And you're going to see it's going to rank my total amount. There you go. But again, I don't want to see the top 100 or top 20. I want to see the top 10. So we're going to insert a filter. It's as simple as going to a filter column. My relation is going to be less than equal to, and we're going to just simply type 10, less than 10. And now we're going to have our top 10. Once I hit save, it's going to apply it. Perfect. Looks good to me. Okay. So now we're going to add a chart. To add a chart, we can go, I could simply select one of my predefined charts here, or I can click on Add Chart, where I will get more options to choose from. So again, we got a drop down, we got a number of options we can choose from. But we're going to choose our bar in this example. And when billing is our category, we want expected amount to be our series. And just hit apply, and it's going to insert our chart just above our table here. There we go. Looks good. Okay, so now if I choose to, I can make this look a little prettier while I'm in here. Just change a couple properties. For example, let me close, and you can see here my range is kind of cluttered. So let's modify it. I'm going to go back and edit the bar, my range axis, and I want to change it to an angle. Just put 45 degrees. Give it some room to breathe, and you're going to see it reflect right here accordingly. Perfect. So now it looks a little better. I'm going to close, and now it's just a matter of eliminating our table from this particular view. So it's just a matter of going to Options, Report Options, and we're going to deselect Show Table under my report property. Just deselect, save, and now my table will be removed from my chart. Perfect. It'll save it. File, save as. And we'll put it in our private folder and call it the top 10 states. How about that? Okay. Save. And again, this is sample data from Salesforce.com. So we're going to build one more report. Report new. This time I want to see what's going on with my total amount per stage. So I'm going to go to my opportunity and double click on stage. Some quick analysis on my stage. And I'm going to go down to my same expected amount measure and bring in my sum, double click. So now I can see the total project 1, which wants me the analysis, and got my total amount here. Okay, so now all we want to do is insert another chart, add chart. Okay, and this time we want to choose our pie chart. Again, we have a number of options to choose from here. There's my pie, stage, and my theories for expected amount, and hit apply, and my pie should appear just above my table. Give it a chance to load. Perfect. All right, that's good. We'll close that, and again, we could add some visuals and make it more appealing to the eye, and we do something as simple as change the layout. Maybe we'll add some depth to it. So we're going to three-dimensional rendering just to add some quick characteristics. Perfect. So we're going to close, and now all we have to do is remove our table below, options, for properties, and then we're going to deselect show table again. Save. So we've created two charts on the fly, pie chart and bar chart, and just take a matter of minutes. So now all we have to do is save. Let's save it. File, save. And then this time we're going to call this one stage totals. Perfect. I'm going to save that. Report. Okay, so let's go click over to our dashboard. And what's nice about Birst, again, is this end-to-end solution where we don't have to log out and log back in. We're basically working in the cloud. I'm going to click on dashboard. I'm going to launch our dashboard tool. So to load my interface, again, this is zero client. In this particular example, I'm on my wireless laptop, and it's click on page, and we're going to build. Chance to load here. Here we go. All right, so we're going to right click, edit. We're going to create a new dashboard. And again, as it loads, it's going out and sending the query, it's loading, it's constantly querying it and checking our permissions to see who we are based on our user login. So here are all the fields that I'm allowed to see based on my login. Here are the reports that I can use. Again, the rest is pretty simple. I can right-click. Best practice is to already have a prototype in mind as to how you want to lay it out. But in this case, I know I want to do a vertical. I want to split it in two screens. We're going to bring in each report, and then we're going to go back and modify and add some parameters, and then also change some of the properties on each dashboard. So let's do it. So I'm going to drag my top 10 sales report, just drop it into the section. And I'm going to actually insert my report that I just created. Okay, the dashboard number 1. And just below here, if I want to bring in my stage totals, just bring it to the bottom, just drag and drop. And if I wanted to swap one of these reports out, I could just by dragging and just dropping and swap it out. So I'm going to also change some of the properties on each dashlet. So in this particular one at the bottom, report stage totals, I want to see something just a little different. I'm going to drop down here, and I'm going to enable PDF. I want to be able to schedule it anytime, any place. I want to be able to dynamically select and change my view. Okay, and we're going to save that as well. And now my top 10 by states do the same. I want to make some modifications. Again, each one is controlled individually. I want to maybe dynamically select different bar charts and so forth, and PDF and pivot control. And I want to also be able to schedule in a PowerPoint. How about that? Save. And last thing, we're going to add a couple of prompts. Okay, we're going to go to our account, and we're going to add by state. Actually, let's do, let's do stage first. Let's go back. Here we go. I want to stage, just drag and drop here in the blank section. I want to bring in my region. Here we go. Just drag and drop. And also bring in my industry. And we're done. It's just that simple. We've created a dashboard. All we have to do now is save. And we have an interactive dashboard that's ready to go. Again, we've given it a chance to load. Here's my top 10 states. Here's my bar chart. Here's my pie chart. Again, it's interactive. I'm able to export the PDF. I'm able to export to PowerPoint. I'm able to schedule. Here I'm able to schedule as well as the PDF. And I can also dynamically select, say, I want to see the underlying data. So I want to see the table versus the chart. Look at that. It's from a matter of minutes. We've created two dashboard and two reports that's interactive. So there you have it. Let me go click back over to my slide presentation. Go. Perfect. And to get started or to engage with DMG, all you have to do is visit our website and select one of our concierge services today. We thank you. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day.